Uploading files using WS-FTP. This tutorial assumes you already have WS-FTP and have it running on your computer, but not connected to another server. Now let's learn how to upload or transfer files from our computer to a remote server. Click Open a remote connection. Select the site we want to connect to, then click Connect. That's it. We've successfully established an FTP connection with demo345.com and now have two windows open. Our local computer files are displayed on the window on the left, and our remote server files in demo345.com are displayed in the window here on the right. Let's navigate to the public HTML folder. It is in here that we want to upload some files. Select the files we want to upload here in our local computer window. Hold down the Control key to select multiple files for uploading. When ready, click the Upload icon here to start transferring the files to our remote server. That's it. We've successfully uploaded the selected files to the remote server, and they are also displayed here in the remote server window. To demonstrate how to download files, we'll first remove a file from our local computer. Highlight the favorite.html file and delete it. Click the File menu. Click Operations. Then click Delete. Now let's download the favorite.html file from the remote server to our local computer. There it is. Click the Disconnect icon to close the connection. This is the end of the tutorial. You should now know how to establish an FTP connection with WS-FTP and upload or transfer files to from your local computer.